Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing your system. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account and save any open work. Once done, open Start and type Device Manager, then press Enter so you land directly on the management console. In Device Manager, expand network adapters and visually note the adapter names and model numbers. This helps you reinstall the correct drivers later. Don't skip this. Knowing the exact adapter prevents installing wrong drivers and avoids extra troubleshooting time. Now you'll remove the current driver to force a clean reinstall. Right-click the problematic network adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Only tick Delete Driver software if you've backed up or have the correct driver installer ready. Once the adapter is removed, go to Action and pick Scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects the hardware and reinstalls a base driver automatically. If Windows installs a generic driver, make sure to update it manually later to restore full functionality and performance. Finish by updating the driver to the vendor's recommended version. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, and either browse My Computer for a downloaded package or search automatically. Prefer the manufacturer's driver for full feature support. After updating, restart the PC to finalize changes, then test connectivity with a browser or run ping to 8. If you encounter problems, roll back the driver in Device Manager or Use System, restore to revert to the previous known good configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.